Here were the best drops from the past week. At number 5 we have SAVANT's Polo tees. Now a post on Polo tees is long overdue as there's been many great ones this year. So these ones by SAVANT needed to be in this week's best drops. What I like the most is the colour palettes that they picked. For me this is quite a hit or miss with polos, but this brand picked the right ones with great added details and graphics on top. At number 4 we have Patta's Autumn Winter 25 drop. We recently did a post on denim set, so this one deserves some spotlight. The fit and design of this one is brilliant. I love how the jacket has a more of an open design. Obviously we gotta talk about the patchwork too, which is a great element and probably the highlight of this set. It really gives it a raw handmade look. At number 3 we have Tombogo's grey bubble pleat tracksuit. This just looks amazing. This is something that catches your attention when you see it on your feed. The textures with the colours is a go-to combination and Tombogo did a great job with the editorial for it. Love this. At number 2 we have Repaired's bullet belt. Now the bullet belt is nothing new under the sun, but this brand brought a new element to it when they came in the game, making these clear iridescent style bullet belts. The colours that shine off it make it a piece they can never stop looking at and probably grabs a lot of attention also. Now number 1 this week we have RBD Studios Rebel Radar drop. Now this is one of the newer brands on today's list and boy do they have an amazing drop on their hands. They're actually on a run when it comes to their drops. I thought these were like black or dark grey, but when I saw the green tones in it, I was instantly hooked. It's such a great colour choice, especially one you don't see often. When doing more research, it all came down to a custom vintage wash technique that they developed themselves. But yeah, love these trousers. That was it for the best drops this week. Stay tapped in with all of the brands and follow us for more.